Every Gradelink website comes with an ADA and WCAG compliance widget and an initial compliance optimization that includes adding alt tags to images on the site. Accessibility compliance on your website is important for two reasons. The first reason is to allow visually impaired users to easily navigate your site. The widget contains tools like a built-in text reader, high contrast, and even a font size control, just in case anyone forgot their reading glasses. Each setting only affects the view of individual viewers on their own screen. The second reason for accessibility compliance on your website is that it acts as a deterrent for potential lawsuits. In recent years, the lack of accessibility compliance in the online world has given rise to countless lawsuits across multiple industries. While it might not be likely that your organization may be a target for website accessibility compliance lawsuits given its size, would you really want to take the chance?